Danville Fire Department, Beecham Fire Department, Calix West. First alarm in the town of Danville, 1832 Walden Hill Road for a reported structure fire. Again, Danville Fire Department, Beecham Fire Department, Calix West. First alarm, reported structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road in Danville. Time of your tone, 1413.
Fire alarm, Danville K1.
Danville K1.
K1's en route to the station.
Danville K1, you're en route to the station at 415. Beecham K1. Beecham K1, you're responding to the station, 416.
Fire alarm from Danville K1.
Danville K1.
Yeah, go to working fire, please.
Danville K1, requesting working fire, 416.
Fire alarm, Calix 2's on.
Calix 2, you're responding, 417. Danville K3. Danville K3, you're responding, 418. Danville Fire Department, Beecham Fire Department, Eastburg Fire Department, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department. Beecham Fire Department, Eastburg Fire Department, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department. Reported working structure fire in the town of Danville, 1832 Walden Hill Road in Danville. Again, Danville Fire Department, Beecham Fire Department, Eastburg Fire Department, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department. First alarm, reported structure fire in the town of Danville, 1832 Walden Hill Road, 420. Beecham P9. Beecham P9, advising you're responding. Beecham units 30, get on the truck, 420. Danville W1. Danville W1, you're responding at 421. Beecham W1. Beecham W1, you're responding with 2, 421.
Fire alarm, Danville Engine 3.
Danville Engine 3.
Danville Engine 3 is on responding with 3.
Danville Engine 3 responding with 3, 422.
Danville W2 to fire alarm.
Eastburg Fire Department, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department, second tone. Working fire in the town of Danville, 1832 Walden Hill Road. Sheffield Wheelock with an engine and a tanker to cover the Danville station. Eastburg with a ladder for red. Second tone, 423.
Danville W2 to fire alarm.
Danville W2.
Danville W2 is en route.
Danville W2 responding, 423. Sheffield Wheelock C1. Sheffield C1 responding to the South Station, 424. Calix 2, I believe you're on scene, 424. Danville Engine 3.
W on scene, we have fire on the A side. Continue all units this time.
Danville Engine 3 advising you're on scene. Confirm fire on the A side. All units continue. 426. Eastburg Fire Department, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department. Working structure fire, town of Danville, 1832 Walden Hill Road. Sheffield Wheelock with an engine and a tanker to cover the Danville station. Eastburg request with a ladder. Again. Eastburg Fire Department, Sheffield Wheelock Fire Department. Working structure fire in the town of Danville, 1832 Walden Hill Road. Sheffield Wheelock smoke with an engine and tanker to the Danville station. Eastburg with a ladder. Have him return 428.
Fire alarm, Peachum K1. You told another deal. Peachum tone, please.
Peachum K1 requesting another tone for Peachum 428. Fire Department, working structure fire in the town of Danville, 1832 Walden Hill Road. Again, Peachum Fire Department, working structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road, Danville, 429. Eastburg Ladder 7, acknowledging the call, responding momentarily, 429. Cynthia Wheelock, engine 23. Engine 23 responding with a crew 5, 431.
Fire alarm, Danville Squad 1.
Danville Squad 1.
Danville Squad 1 responding to scene with 1.
Danville Squad 1 responding to the scene with 1 at 431.
Fire alarm, Danville Command.
Danville Command.
Be advised, we got the main body of fire knocked down with extensive with mop-up. Still keep all units coming.
Danville Command advising you of the majority of the fire knocked down to a possible extension. Continue all units at 432.
Danville W1.
Danville W1, you're on scene. Engine 22 responding with 432. Eastburg Ladder 7.
Danville Command.
Eastburg Ladder 7, you're on the 7 at 432.
Peachum W1, Danville Command.
Calico 2.
FYI, we're evaluating 3.
Calico 2, you're evaluating 3 patients, 433.
Fire alarm, Peachum W1.
Peachum W1.
Arriving on scene.
Peachum W1 on scene at 434.
Fire alarm, Danville Command.
Danville Command, go ahead.
Can you stack linens over the ladder, please? We're going to have an extensive roof overhaul, and we're going to need an aerial on that.
Danville Command, be advised, you do have Eastburg Ladder 7 on the way with crew 7. Do you still want Lindenville?
Correct, that's what I asked for.
Receive. Lindenville Fire Department, respond with a ladder to Danville for a working structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road. Again, Lindenville Fire Department, respond with a ladder, working structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road in Danville, 436.
This is flag down.
Danville Squad 1. Fire alarm.
Danville Squad 1.
Danville Squad 1 on scene.
Danville Squad 1, you're on scene, 437. Lindenville Fire Department, second zone. Ladder request set for a working structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road in Danville. And the Lindenville Fire Department, working structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road in Danville. Acknowledging 4, and I am responding at 439.
Fire alarm, Peachum Engine 1.
Peachum Engine 1.
Peachum Engine 1 responding with 1.
Peachum Engine 1 responding with 1, 440.
Danville Command.
Danville Command.
Can you notify Green Mountain Power, please, and have them respond to the scene?
Danville Command requesting Green Mountain Power be notified. Respond to the scene at 440. Lindenville Fire Department, third tone. Respond to the ladder. Working structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road in Danville. Again, Lindenville Fire. structure fire, 1832 Walden Hill Road in Danville. 609 responding at 442. Ladder 35. Ladder 35, you're en route with 5 at 443.
Danville Command, fire line.
Danville Command.
Do you have an ETA on Green Mountain Power?
They've been paged. They said they'd be en route.
Give them a call back. Tell them we got live wires on the ground, please.
Danville Command advising live wires on the ground, 446. Fire alarm to Danville Command. Green Mountain Power has been updated, and this is also your first 20-minute mark.
Go ahead. We're on scene. The engine. Yeah, we got one. Fire alarm, Beecham engine 1.
Beecham engine 1.
Beecham engine 1 will be on scene.
Beecham engine 1, you're on scene at 452.
Danville Command, Beecham engine 1. Copy that.
Danville Command, Sheffield Wheelock engine.
Sheffield Wheelock engine 23, go ahead.
Yeah, you en route to the scene and to the station.
We're just going to be arriving at your station for coverage.
Redirect to the scene, please.
Receive. Fire alarm, Sheffield Wheelock engine 23.
Wheelock engine 23.
For Danville Command, engine 23 is redirecting to the scene.
Sheffield Wheelock engine 23 arriving per Danville Command. You've been redirected to the scene at 453.
Danville Command, Square 107. Yeah, we'll be arriving on scene momentarily. Do you have an appointment for us? 10-1. Danville Command from East Square Ladder 7. We're just turned on to Walden Hill Road. Do you have a spot you want us to stage? 10-4. Sheffield Wheelock engine 23 is arriving on scene.
Sheffield Wheelock engine 23 are on scene, 457.
Fire alarm, Sheffield Wheelock tanker 22.
Sheffield Wheelock tanker 22.
You check with command, make sure they don't want us at the scene, or we'll still go to the station.
Stand by. Fire alarm to Danville Command. Sheffield Wheelock tanker inquiring if you'd like them to the scene or to remain at cover. Received. Fire alarm, Sheffield Wheelock tanker 22.
22, go ahead.
Command advising you can remain on cover. They're okay on water for now.
10-4 received.
Fire alarm from East Square Ladder 7. We're arriving on scene.
East Square Ladder 7, you're arriving on scene at 5 o'clock.
Ladder 35 to Danville Command. Ladder 35 Danville Command.
Fire alarm, tanker 22 is off at Danville Station.
Tanker 22, you're off at Danville Station at 5:02.
Danville Command, Ladder 35. We're a minute and a half out. We'll get for an assignment. 10-1. Ladder 35, fire alarm. You're arriving on scene.
Ladder 35, you're arriving on scene at 5:03. Fire alarm to Danville Command. Danville Command project. Fire alarm to Danville Command. Walden Hill Command project. Your second 40-minute mark, sir. Project. Danville Command. Danville Command advising all hands waiting. You have the aerial set up, removing part of the roof and extension into the attic. 518. Calyx 2.
3 patients evaluated, 3 refusals, 4 remaining on scene.
Calyx 3, you're advising we've obtained 3 patient refusals. Be remaining on scene for fire standby at 5:20. Fire alarm to Danville Command project. Danville Command project. tap par, 532. Teaching K1. Teaching K1, I didn't catch the first part of your transmission. Teaching K1 requesting Groton to cover your station with an engine at 537. Danville Command. Danville Command requesting VideoPad to your station with an engine for coverage at 539. Fire alarm to Danville Command, par check. Danville Command, par check.
Fire alarm, Danville Command. All units are operating at 5. Can you make a call to the fire marshal's office get somebody to investigate on that?
Danville Command advising all units operating at par, requesting the fire marshal be contacted at 551. Fire engine 2. Engine 2, you're in to the Danville station for coverage at 555.
Fire alarm from Eastburg Ladder 7.
Eastburg Ladder 7.
Ladder 7 cleared by command, returning quarters.
Eastburg Ladder 7 advising been cleared by command, returning to quarters at 603.
Fire alarm, Brandon Engine 2.
Brandon Engine 2.
Brandon Engine 2 is off at Danville headquarters.
Brandon Engine 2, you're off at Danville Station 610. Ground Engine, you're off at the Beecham Station for cover 611. Fire alarm to Danville Command, par check. Danville Command, par check. Danville Command, par check. Danville Command advising all units at par. Primarily exterior. Windmill still working on the attic, 614. Fire alarm, Danville Command. Fire alarm, Danville Command, par check. Danville Command, par check. Calix 3. Calix 3, units of fire. Danville, relief. Calix 2 at 707.
Fire alarm, Sheffield Wheelock Engine 23.
Sheffield Wheelock Engine 23.
Engine 23 has been released from Danville scene, return to quarters.
Engine 23 advising been released from by Danville Command, return to quarters at 710.
Fire alarm, Danville Command.
Danville Command.
Be advised, Lindenville is going to be returning shortly. Don't keep Walden and Beecham on scene with us for an extended period of time, and you can discontinue flight check.
Danville Command advising you're going to be releasing Lindenville shortly. Keep Walden and Beecham on scene with you for an extended period of time, and fire alarm will discontinue 20-minute checks, 7:15.
Ladder 35 fire alarm.
Ladder 35.
Clear the scene, return to quarters.
Ladder 35, you clear the scene, return to quarters.